The LoRa-capable lubrication system perma-tec long range can be configured and put into operation using the PermaConnect mobile app. To do this, press the plus button in the corresponding lubrication point. Select the corresponding lubrication system in the Setup Assistant. Ensure that the lubrication system is assembled correctly. The LC size and the lubricant data for perma-tec long range can either be recorded manually or automatically by scanning the QR code on the LC. The QR code can only be scanned by using the mobile app. For selecting, entering the discharge period, all available discharge periods of the lubrication system are displayed. Click Save Settings to save the settings. Please note that the lubrication system is both switched off and not yet connected to your LoRa gateway after configuration. Click Scan to connect the lubrication system with your gateway. You can either scan the QR code on your perma-tec long range or enter the information manually. Once you have done this, your system will initially connect to the Connect within the next hour and the configuration will be transferred to the system. After configuration, your perma-tec long range is switched off by default. If you want to switch the system on, please press the corresponding button in the app. As soon as your lubrication system has been set up, you can look to the relevant information graphically on the lubrication system detail page during the lubrication cycle under fill level, temperature and motor current. You can limit the periods to 1 month or 1 year or display the entire period. You can scroll through the months or years using the arrows. The 3 values can be displayed simultaneously using the Overview button.